Are you looking for how to fix Instagram message swipe replay not working or replay option not showing? In this video, I show you how to fix Instagram message replay not working problem or Instagram replay option not showing problem. For solving this problem, go to Play Store, search for Instagram, update Instagram app if available any update. Now go to settings, then go to apps, application management. Now click on apps. Now search for Instagram app. Click on Instagram. Click on storage, clear data, delete. Click on force stop. Now restart your phone. After restart your phone, open Instagram app. Now log into your account. Save. Now check. Machine. Now close all apps. Now open again Instagram. Now check. Now replay option is working. If this method not working for you, you can follow the second method. Go to your profile icon. Now click on three dot menu. Now click on settings. Then go to help. Then go to report a problem. Now click on report a problem. Include and continue. Now right here, just right here, hey Instagram team, my swipe replay option is missing. Please fix this problem as soon as possible. Now send it. Now I hope that this method fix Instagram swipe replay option not working, not showing problem. Thanks for watching.